There she is.
Got it. Something went weird.
Okay, so now it's gonna go back there, right? It's gonna land there.
It's gonna land where it landed last time. So it's not gonna go behind Hollywood Hills anymore.
Okay.
So see, right now it's going pretty much straight out over the ocean, a little roll towards the south. But it's done putting satellites down there.
Oh, that's cool. Tail's cool.
Jeez, I'm doing a horrible job. There we go. As soon as I get it on, it'll karaoke.
Karaoke?
It's gonna be hard trying to pick this one up now because it's gone so late. Alright, karaoke's coming up. Or Miko.
Karaoke.
Everybody's like, what the hell is karaoke? Or not everybody, one or two people.
Okay, there it is. Now it's going to go back down to over there.
I think
but
this
when do you
one
think
might be going back to Vandenberg. I'm not sure. I can't remember.
Okay, we'll keep an eye out then.
Because now that it's shooting just out there and not down there, it can go straight back to Vandenberg. I don't see nothing. I mean, like...
It's gone. I don't even see even a little spark.
Okay. Yeah, because it's going west too much, so it's just going away from us too fast.
Is that it right there?
Where?
Right below the star, the planet?
Yep, that's it.
That's it, huh?
If we can get the planet, or the star, or whatever. Yeah, that was it. I can still see it if I can just...
I'm not picking it up.
I can see it with my eyes. I can't see it with this. But when I say that, I see, you know, I look back and I'm like, there it is, there it isn't, there it is, there it isn't, because I keep going past it.
Right.
What the hell?
I can see it, but like you were saying, I don't think my camera's picking it up. I'll keep it on it, but...
Hard to tell. Yeah, it's cruising, man. It's going away so fast now. It's gone. It's going at speed of sound, or say speed of... Oh, there, it's something just...
Yeah, I can see it.
Kind of boop.
With the naked
since
eye.
It's going west, it will pick up sunlight eventually, but... Well, I can see it. I can't see it on this.
Yeah, mine's not picking it up. I went too far away.
No, yours probably won't. It should. It's got a forward time. It should, but it's... Yeah.
But I can't see it on the screen, you know.
Yeah, I can't either. I can see... No, it's gone now. No, it's still there. I can see the red glow.
Yeah, yeah.
But that's it. I mean, if I can get this thing to work right. I'm gonna go down here. Let's see how I'm doing Where's anything? Oh, geez, this thing is such a huge... difference. And
Oh.
Oh, you see? Yeah. You can get it.
I got it.
I can't. There, I got it. That's something. That's it. Re-entry. Slow down. Burn. Done.
All right.
Oh, that's weird. All that. That's it. Yeah. So it landed on a barge. That's it.